between the beginning and the end of your life's journeys, there are a lot of memories that will last a lifetime. But there will be nothing like...
How's your first day in school?
OMG! I'm gonna be really careful about choosing my friends.
Precious anak, kumain ka na, ha?
Vegetarian ako.
Kailan pa?
Kanina lang.
Nakakakilig.
Pwede mag-share?
Sure.
Wait, guys! I think I know you.
Precious?
Di ba in love ka sa kanya noon?
Acceptable.
Kilala mo ba yun? Kanina pa kasi tingin ng tingin sa'yo eh. Ayun oh.
Bastos yun ah! Ba't mo ako tinititigan?
Hindi.
Kilala kong tipo niya. Diyan lang naman sila magaling eh.
You're so funny.
No problem! Ang daming pressure sa practice. I like playground. The kids who play here, they just play. They don't have to be perfect.
Megan! Megan! What was that? What?
Okay yun, ang ganda tingnan na.
Hoy, Gael! Magbayad ka na ng renta ng bahay. Sinisingil ka na ni Manang.
Wala akong pera.
Kung umuwi ka lang, isang ganun lang, may 100,000 ka na.
Kailan ba ako huling umuwi sa bahay niya?
Sometimes, the most important lessons in life are the ones you learn the hard way.
Sila mga suspect. Anong alam mo? Ang utos ni Bossing, patalong laban.
Gawin mo ng 100,000. Papayag ako.
Why don't you do it for me?
Ang investigator ang magsasabi sa atin kung sabotage.
I never joke pagdating sa matters of human progress and development.
You're turning into a monster.
I can prove that I belong to this group.
Kailangan natin pigilan si Prey.
O magkakasapak sila.
Mag-meet tayo.
Kailan? Saan?
Bakit?
This September, Star Cinema brings you Maha Salvador, Jason Avalos, Kim Chiu, Gerald Anderson, and Jeff Eigenman. Every journey begins on the first day of school.